Hi guys, so we're doing a Keto Kesar Kheer. The ingredients for the same are, first I have desiccated coconut, that's about 40 grams. Then I have 30 grams of almond flour. Here I have some cardamom. Then I have a tablespoon of charoli seeds. We have Zeevik stevia. Then I have 200 ml of almond milk. I have Amul fresh cream when we are going to be using only 100 ml of the same. Lastly, some clarified butter, that's desi ghee. And I have saffron strands. First, in a utensil, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. To that, we are going to add our charoli seeds, our cardamom, now to this we are going to add our desiccated coconut and our almond flour. Now let it cook slightly well. That means it should turn slightly golden. And our almond flour is well done now. Now we're going to add 200 ml of almond milk. We're going to give it a nice boil. To that, I'm using Zeevik stevia. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of the same. Next, I'm adding some fresh cream to the same. And lastly, I'm going to add some saffron strands to the same. And our keto kheer is ready. And now we're going to put it into a bowl. And now we're going to top it up with some saffron strands. And our Keto Kesar Kheer is ready.